Yeah, my name is Jess Mudgett, and I'm an artist from Colorado. And I have the Hawk camper, and I live out of it full time. And I've been living in it for like 6 months. And painting on the road full time. And it's been just such a blessing to have compared to living in just a truck canopy for like a year before this. So it's like a hotel compared to that. So it's just it's this huge blessing for me, and it's made life on the road just so much nicer, you know. And I'm looking forward to some trips with it this coming year. Just being in it full time. I mean, it's always kind of a trip, but just to continue traveling and hopefully go throughout the US, or maybe ship it over to Hawaii or take it to Alaska this summer or something, and just keep working and painting and seeing where the road takes me. But I'm sure glad that four-wheeler campers is a part of my life.